Siri. Once more, I greet you. I want to thank you for hosting us this beautiful Saturday morning. Without wasting much of our time, let me go straight to why we are here. Our son here, Ignatius, said he saw a beautiful flower in your compound and he wants us to come and plug that beautiful flower. And before we go ahead and plug this beautiful flower, we need to inform the man that planted, water and nurtured this flower.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much. So as custom demands, we want to seek your consent to transplant this beautiful flower into our family. Ignatius, I hope I'm speaking your mind.
Your words are metaphorical. I guess if I understand what you're talking about, you want to have my daughter's hand in marriage.
Exactly. That is why we're here.
Yes, which of my daughters are you talking about here? Because I have two.
Maggie love.
Have you actually orchestrated your intention to marry her towards her?
There's a way I suggested it to her.
He suggested.
Welcome.
Okay.
Welcome. You sent for me.
Margret.
Sir?
I guess you know this man here.
Yes, I do.
I presuppose he must have expressed his intentions to marry you.
I don't understand. Marry who?
Go on. You, my love.
Wait, are you okay? Chiro, so that's nonsense you were whispering into my ears in the shop. It was not made up. You were serious.
Proposing lies. I was proposing. Yes, my love.
I love them. Don't even love anything here. And by the way, who packed that time bomb? That Ebere outside. Who packed it? Because that thing nearly wounded me. Who packed that nonsense?
My car. My baby.
My baby.
Yes,
so, are you okay? That thing that looks like something that we used to fight Somalian war is your car. You are mad. Huh? You are very... I cannot believe I left my business to come and listen to this nonsense. I cannot believe it.
My love, just accept to marry me. Marry me and Makachi, I will change your life.
Yes. Hey, you should start by changing your life first. Just look at you. Look at the sandals you wore to come and marry me. As in, you had the guts to come and ask for Maggie's hand in marriage with primary school sandals. He been on with that
my shoe has not finished polishing that.
With chain 1.5. Are you mad? Listen, just get out of this place now before I get angry.
My daughter, calm down. He still has something to say.
I don't want to hear again. The one I heard is tingling my ear. Get out of this place before I get angry. And trust me, if I get angry, you will not like it.
Don't worry. You should not worry. I have my baby's passport.
Hold it.
You have my password.
Please listen to me. You people are really tasking my patience here. What is really happening in my house? I am Professor Cyril Udemba. And things like this should not happen in my compound.
Please. I will advise you people to just do as he has just said. Pick on a barrel.
What an embarrassment!
You came to marry your mother with chain and get idiot! The principal! Hey, my head! Before I call the carousel, hey! Oh! Mama, I have suffered this. What an insult! Margret, you will not kill me. Mama, all the composing na choji. Ndara kocha no coat. Line yanuso. Hey! Hey! You would have allowed me to cut off that his head and use that his dog chain to chain his head to this stupid cat. Hey!
No want wahala, leave my baby, leave am for me, oh. Leave my baby, oh. When a hunter fall in love, bush meat go dey plenty. When a soldier fall in love, troubles we run away. But if a superwoman fall in love, you can want to weapon in there. Don't touch my baby, oh. If you don't want my...
Hey, Mama, Margret, you need coffee. Mama, can't you name me? Mama, I want to start pounding the apple.
Hey, Mban. Nagini mercy. Mba Magi don't eat off. Mba, no. See, I am grateful with the soup you're making. Please, Mba, leave the apple. When Chibuzo comes in, he will pound it.
No, Mama. Just let me pound it. Because I know that when he comes back, he'll be very hungry.
He will be very hungry. But that will not stop him from pounding. You've been here working for the past 5 hours. He gets unique and warm now. So you don't break down.
Mama, I'm not tired yet. Let me pound it because I don't want him starving at all.
Love You're spoiling this boy, yo. You're spoiling this boy. Hey, look, he needs to pound this thing so he can develop his muscles. And he'll be able to handle you.
Mama, am I complaining? He's handling me well.
He's handling you well. It depends on the kind of handling you're talking about. Come and tell me.
Mama, not hear it from my mouth. Just know that he's trying.
Maggie.
Mama.
And I know they like wahala, oh, yeah. Hello. No try my boo-boo, baby. If you no want my wahala, oh, yeah. If you be boyfriend snatcher, make you no try my boo-boo, baby. Boo-boo, baby, oh. If you be boyfriend snatcher, make you no try my boo-boo, baby. Boo-boo, baby, oh. If you no want wahala, leave my baby. Leave him for me, oh. Leave him for me, oh. If you no want wahala, leave my baby. Leave him for me, oh. Leave my baby, oh. When a hunter fall in love, bushmeat go dey plenty. When a soldier fall in love, troubles we run away. But if a superwoman fall in love, you can want to happen in there. Don't touch my baby, oh. No that's my wife. But guess what, the shine teeth with my boo-boo, baby. You dey look for wahala, you go see wahala. I no fit fight, but I go fight for you. And anything will worry you, they worry me too.
Mama, good afternoon. I see that food is ready.
What are you doing with that girl? As in, why are you holding her hands like that?
Guy, don't tell me you are married. Are you?
Me?
Yes.
This is your guinea. This is your guinea.
Hello. No try my boo-boo, if you don't want my wild, if you be boyfriend snatcher, make you no try my boo-boo, baby. Boo-boo, baby, oh. If you be boyfriend snatcher, make you no try my boo-boo, baby. Boo-boo, baby, oh. If you know want
Next time when you see somebody smile, you remove your eyes.
Margret! What did I do to you? What did I do to you?
It's okay. Come. It's okay.
my love, my jealousy, and I know they like wahala, oh, yeah. Hello, no try my boo-boo, baby. If you no want my wahala, oh, yeah. If you be boyfriend snatcher,
Margret, good afternoon. What's gotten Margret angry this afternoon? How does she know?
Boo-boo, baby, oh. If you be boyfriend snatcher, make you no try my boo-boo, baby. Boo-boo, baby, oh. If you no want wahala.
Hey, up on Margret! It's Margret! It's Margret!
This is for not training your daughter very well. When she comes back, train her. Come it into her ears that she should not go after another person's boyfriend, especially my boo-boo. Yes, I will do it. Boo-boo? See boo-boo? Somebody help me. Yeah. Hey, come on, go some. I'm a friend now. You are very useless. Please make it that noise. If I come here, you will die. If I come here,
Grace, where's my money? Grace, where is the 10,000 that I kept inside this bag?
Please stop shouting. Stop shouting. I'm not a kid anymore. What is it? Do I look like your child? Please.
That's not the answer to my question. Where's my money?
Hey.
Grace, can I go?
Grace, see money. I don't know. I don't have your money with me. Okay, money everywhere, money. Which money? I don't know.
What do you mean by you don't know? Is it not both of us that live in this house?
Hey.
Is there any other person living with us here? Can you go?
Mr. Nwokoye. Nwokoye. What do you mean by that? Are you insinuating that I stole your money? As in you are now calling me a thief? I don't understand though. Where this rubbish is coming from?
Stop that pretense! Stop it!
Hey.
Now where's my money? Hey. Grace, can I go?
Grace, you have suffered though. EJD. Name Nedi. EJD. Hey! What does they marry better husband? Name now.
Grace, let me tell you something. Listen and listen very good. You must vomit my money. You must vomit that money. You will not eat it. You will vomit it.
No problem. I have turned to a snake that swallows people's money. Okay? No problem. Ce n'est pas problème. I've heard you.
It's okay. No problem. We'll see. I ain't got food now. We'll see. So bad the law. I'm waiting for you. You must bring back my money.
You mean my daughter did this to both of you?
Yes.
Yes, Professor. She almost killed us. We are lucky to survive, Professor.
This girl will put us into trouble. What did you do to her?
Mommy, I didn't do anything to her. Heaven knows I didn't do anything to her.
So, you even had the guts to come to this house with your father? You had the guts to come to this house with your father? You mean where shame? You don't have fear and you don't have shame. You are very, very stupid. You make sense. You are senseless.
Will you shut your mandibles?
Yes. Shut it.
Shut your mandibles!
Yes.
What did this duo, what did these people did to you that you meted out this gruesome battering upon them? Tell me.
Answer him, Daddy. Mommy. You know you trained me very well. In fact, you trained me very, 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 very well. Have you ever seen me with another woman's boyfriend?
Damn.
Have you seen me on the road, holding hands, chatting, or even laughing with a man that is not mine. But this idiot, Anwafia Chineke Poroko, had the guts to hold my boo-boo. If you see the way this charlatan was chatting and laughing with my boo-boo Konyamwe, meanwhile on our touch. Listen, I beat you because you lack home training. And I beat your father because he refused to train you. Next time I see you anywhere around my boo-boo, yeah, even inches or kilometers or even meters around him, I will beat your entire family. Shucks! I will beat your generation.
God! What is this? What is this?
Are you out of your mind?
This girl is a total disgrace to human race. Look at what you have cost me. I told you to train this girl, you're busy pampering her. Can you beat that? I'm sorry, please.
Oh, Daddy, please, I'm
sorry.
sorry.
I'm sorry.
Biko,
I hope the injuries are not too grave.
Wait, can't you see it for yourself? Can't you see?
I'm sorry.
Can't you see it for yourself?
Deeply.
I wonder the kind of monster she is. That girl is a brute.
See my own, Professor, see my own. See all over my face. Look at my mouth. Everywhere.
Daddy, please, it's okay. Please.
I'm sorry.
But before accepting your apology, you have to give her the sum of 7,000 naira. That was what we spent in treating ourselves.
It's not 7,000, it's 7,050 naira.
Yes.
It's okay, that won't be a problem. It's just a token, okay? I'll be with you in a jiffy, okay? I'm sorry. Just 1 minute.
All right.
Please. Daddy, Biko, Biono, no go. Please.
One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
That is complete, eh? Is it complete?
What are the 500 naira?
The 15 naira. Professor, the 15 naira is very, very important, eh? We use it for Okadas. We are going to go and treat ourselves. Don't worry.
All right, but it is not over. It's not yet over, because I'm going to report that your daughter to the Igwe.
Yes.
Come.
Is that right? When we get to the bridge, we'll cross it, okay?
Sorry.
Sorry. I'm indeed very sorry. I'm indeed very, very sorry. Have you seen it?
Why do you always...
Have you seen it? Will you shut your trap? Shut your trap! Like mother, like daughter.
About Margret was put blames on me. Why?
Do you realize?
Always cast blames on me. This is highly unacceptable. It is unacceptable. Why?
Do you realize that I've been building this reputation for ages now, and your daughter wants to urinate on my intelligence?
This is unacceptable. It is highly unacceptable. I don't like that. I can't take it anymore.
It's okay, sweetheart. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. It's your daughter that's bringing...
Chantel, I am truly sorry for everything.
Look at my face. Look at everywhere.
Hey, Ndo,
I'm hurting so much.
Sorry. How are you feeling? Have you taken drugs?
I'm feeling terrible. Terrible. Is that animal truly your girlfriend? That blood-sucking demon in human flesh, is she really your girlfriend?
Yes.
How are you coping with her? How?
Look, she's a very nice person. It's just that her jealousy rate is out of this world. If you get to meet her, she's a wonderful person.
God, I must be honest with you. I never felt anything close to what she did to me yesterday. That girl is a monster. She is a demon. Look at my body, look at everywhere. I can't even sleep well. Oh, my body is paining me.
Sorry, you'll be fine.
Everywhere.
Ndo.
She will kill you. I'm afraid of...
Mama, good morning, ma.
Hold it. What are you doing here? You don't need to be here. You don't need to be in my house here.
Mama, he's my visitor. Stop this thing you're saying.
Mama, have I done anything wrong?
Is it until when Margret killed all of us that you stop seeing my daughter? If you go inside the house now, you will see my husband lying critically ill as a result of the beating he received from Margret. And Chantel here has been having pains as a result of the same beating Margret gave to her. Size 10, leave my house.
Mama, it's okay now.
Give me, because what is it?
Now I want you to give me one reason why you acted the way you did yesterday. Beating up innocent people.
Hi! Are you mad? Wait, did you come to fight for her? Did you come to fight for your girlfriend?
Who is my girlfriend? Who is my girlfriend?
Bia, Chibuzo, don't provoke me. Don't just provoke me at all. Oh, you came here. Instead of you to apologize to me and show remorse for cheating on me, you came to fight me.
Wait. Who is cheating on you? Me? Cheating on you? With who? Chantel is just my childhood friend. Someone we even went to the same primary school together.
Liar! You are a liar. Which primary school? Eh? Mba, but I'm not prefect in primary school. That was why you were holding her like a new bride and laughing so much. Like Jaka says, eh? Laughing so much. Are you people mad? Eh?
Listen, I don't know what you mean by holding her like a new bride. I was coming back home yesterday when I ran into her and we're just catching up on old times. Now let me ask you, if I was cheating on you, do you think I would bring her home knowing you are there? Eh? Wait for Ogi.
I'm sorry.
Eh? You're what? No. Sorry is not going to solve it at all. You almost sent that girl and her father to their early graves yesterday. It's not a matter of sorry.
I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry. Hey, but you, check it. Eh? Check it now. No, go there. Even if she was your twin sister, she overdid it. She overdid it. Eh? Just look at the way she come to her body to your own. She was laughing like the car owner instead of laughing small like Onya but attached. Like she was laughing with somebody's boyfriend. Boo Moya, sorry man.
No, don't boo me. Don't boo me. Listen, you have to go and apologize to that girl and her father before. Huh? I'm serious.
My boo-boo said I should come and apologize. Ngwanu, sorry no. He said you people are childhood friends. But childhood friends or not, don't hold my boo-boo like that again. If you try it, I will break your hands. When I know. Anyway, sorry no. Get well soon. Papa, make sure you take your drugs so you go. And thank you so much for forgiving me. Bye.
Madam, good evening.
Ekene, how are you?
Madam, I'm not fine, no. Madam, there is big problem. The police seized my keke. They said my paper has expired.
They said all your papers have expired.
No. My paper just expired last month. The paper expired last month, madam. Just this last month, too.
Can you hear yourself? Eh? Can you hear yourself? How can a grown man like you not renew his papers before it even expires? Eh? Anyway, before I even go further with this talk, give me your weekly money, Biko. Give me the money. What is this? What is this?
Madam, I was coming from the mechanic workshop before the police accosted me.
And you ran here to report the police for me? Just look at. How are you?
I'm fine, ma. Madam, I came to do my weekly account.
Such a crook. Why can't you be like Nzube? Why? Why can't you be like him? Your own is to come here every day with excuses. All forms of excuses. Madam, shut up your mouth! If the police people are not chasing you, then the mechanic man wants to kill you. If the mechanic man spares your life, then your keke will leave you on the road and run. If that one doesn't happen, stories up and down. Hey, don't try me. If you know what is good for you, you go to that police station and collect my keke. You come back here and do your weekly account. Because if you do not do it, you will not like what I'll do to you. Nzube, thank you, bro. Thank you very much. In fact, go inside. Sit down. Eh? Balance way. Come. Give Nzube a very big bottle of Odeku.
Yes, ma'am.
Chilled. Heavy duty. Then top it with a very hot plate of pepper soup.
Yes, ma'am.
Very hot. If it is warm, warm it. Yes, so that it will be hot. Oh yeah, go. Go! Yes. Then go back. Lick your tongue and get out of my shop. And while you are licking that your useless tongue, lick it to the police station. Collect my keke and then lick your tongue back to this place with my money. If not, I'm a buwagishi today. I will kill you. You don't know me, oh. You don't know me very well. Come and get out of here and give me my money. Else I will break your head. You want to know what I will do? I'm telling you, you're looking for my trouble, oh. When I get my detention at all, if I kill you, I will kill you. I will say, idiot.
But see, I'm telling you, once a man gets that urge, all his thinking faculty goes on break. All he's thinking about is that waist. Until he gets that waist, he doesn't rest.
You like waist?
It's like that. I'm telling you. Example, like your waist now. All they see is your waist. They won't even tell you the truth. You won't know when it's true love.
Hey.
But that's how it is, reality of life. You know? Awesome. Men will always be men. You got to know.
Hey! Foolish girl, that is what you are. Leave him alone. What is the meaning of this now? What is the meaning of this? Don't even ask me any stupid question here. Bia, Chibuzo. Another woman up here. Another woman.
She's my cousin, for Christ's sake.
Huh?
She's my cousin. Oh.
Oh, sorry. I didn't know. Sorry, don't be angry. Hey.
When will you stop this your irrational behaviors, eh? I don't like it.
Stop now. I'm with Nwoko. Don't add fire. Help me and Becca. Don't be angry. If I had known, there's no way I would have tried such. Hey, when you...
Okay, sorry, Sorry. Please forgive her.
It's okay. Please don't hit me like this next time, eh? You know your hand is as painful as a machete cut. Yeah, so happy.
But don't be angry, oh? Just sit down first. Anne! Come.
Okay.
Yes,
You're enjoying.
Get another bottle of drink for her.
Yes.
Right.
Is it your bribe? Eh? What is your business? Have I not given you your own bribe?
Yes, but it's not yet complete.
Nwokoye. Hey, that one is your business, so. Chigozo, before it escapes my mind again, what are your plans for JAMB this year?
JAMB, after sitting for it 5 times, I'm failing to gain admission into 3 different universities. I am done. What I'm thinking now is just how to raise money and start up a good business.
Believe me, I know how you feel. But I still think you should give it another try.
You want me to sit down with 15-year-old children and be taking JAMB? It's not going to happen.
Can you imagine? Look at what he's thinking about. Chimo, are you serious right now? Chibuzo, getting a university degree should be more important than your age and the ages of the people you're going to be writing JAMB with. Hey, how can you be thinking about age? Age!
This coming from you, I'm surprised.
I know. I did not go to school. That is why I want you to go. I want you to get that university degree that eluded me. I want you to go to school for me. Before you leave, I will give you money to buy JAMB for me. Make some calls, ask around and find out how much it is and what it will take. And most importantly, please, I want you to choose the state university.
State university? Why state university?
Hey, Chibuzo, you ask too many questions. In fact, you carried in the JAMB. Just do what I asked you to do, Biko. You go.
Alright, complete the bribe first.
Anne!
Hey!
Bring meat!
Meat!
Size. Look at her size.
Which size?
Hey! Please complete my own bribe first.
See this one? I am not owing you again. Wetano, bring me! So, where did both of you go to? That I met no one when I came back.
Mama, we went to Margret's spa.
You went to Margret's spa. So because you went to Margret's spa, you left my doors open.
Mama. Is any of your wrappers stolen?
Is
Is all your thing not intact?
Is that what you're saying? You're waiting for them to steal my wrapper, before you shut my door for me.
Mama, you worry too.
Mama, sorry about the door. I was the person that forgot to lock it.
I should have known now. Why won't you forget? Suddenly came, you forgot. After you know, you forgot.
Mama, I saw Chibuzo's girlfriend today.
Hey.
She's very, very nice. I like her.
Wonderful she is indeed.
Oh. You like her? Mama, just listen to her. Somebody that gave you the beating of your life today, you like her. Hey!
She beat you up?
It's a joke.
Mama, no, she did not just beat her up. She gave her a dirty slap.
Which side of the cheek? What kind of joke is that?
Mama, it was a mistake.
Oh, mistake? Mistake, you said? Oh, I see she has brought you over with the pepper soup and soft drinks. Mama, you needed to see her. Margret was stuffing her with enough pepper soup. Him not like a cannon. She was eating and now she's Margret is wonderful. Margret is this. Margret is that. She has brought you over.
Oh, Mama, see, I don't know what you're talking about though. See, if I see you with another girl, I'll break your head myself.
I support you on that one.
Mama, because leave this girl because.
Okay. Oh.
Mama, I have finally decided to sit for JAMB again.
Eh? It's a guinea.
Hey.
It's a guinea.
You heard me right.
You have decided to do what?
Sit for JAMB again.
Hey! Jesus, I know what I'm saying. It's OGOCHUKWU. Calm down, Nina Nukwelem. Hey! Nah. So it has happened?
Yes.
Eh? What made you change your mind?
Mama, it was Margret that convinced him. Okay.
Oh, Margret, you shall live long,
Amen,
Maggie. That's why I'm always talking about Maggie. Only silly that does not have Maggie does not know what they are missing. Nah, I thank God for Maggie. Hey, the only thing now is that we have to start thinking about how to raise money to buy the JAMB form
Mama,
and purchase a form.
Mama, come out of there. You see, Margret has given me money for the purchasing of JAMB form and for the registration.
Hey! Margret.
And you say she's not a nice girl.
Maggie, may God bless you. May God bless you a millionfold.
Amen.
Eh? Maggie, you finished everything.
Mama, I'm not like a can. Come on, nigga, don't eat it.
Kodolo na afọ.
Ọbọdụ
sọsọ na afọ. Ọdọ na ntị, ọdọ na ukwu, ọdọ na ike gwụrụ.
You are a rare breed of woman. Tell me, how many girls will motivate their boyfriend to give school another try, even when he's tired of trying? How many girls would want to food the way you do? I doubt if your kind is too much.
Well, everything I do.
Happy Maggie, good morning.
How you doing? How you doing?
Fine.
Everything I do because of Because I know that if it's good for you, it's also good for me.
Tell you what, honey. Why don't you sit for jam with me? That way we can both go to the university together.
No, I am done with school. I am now a businesswoman and trust me, I am okay with it. Besides, if both of us jump into school, who will pay our school fees? I'm very sure you did not think of that. But it's fine, don't worry. Just become a graduate for me and I'll be fulfilled.
I can never thank you enough. Who is she?
Madam, where are you? What is it?
My son is very sick. I don't know what is
Your
wrong
son?
with him.
What is wrong with him? Is he acting up? What's wrong with him? Any symptoms?
He's very weak. He can't even stand up. I want to go and call the chemist.
Madam. What you just told me now, your son needs to go to the hospital, not chemist.
I'm just a poor widow. I don't have money to pay for hospital.
It's okay. Just take us to your house.
Chika!
Come.
Welcome, ma.
Do we have up to 50,000 naira in this shop?
No, we have 35,000.
Go and bring it. Also.
Mama, but we don't have drinks. We're supposed to buy from that money.
Don't worry. We'll buy tomorrow. Bring the money. A young boy's life is at stake. Inugo, bring fast. Hurry. No, I must say so. What's this?
Come here. Why are you running like a monkey that just escaped from the zoo?
Daddy, please. I need your help. Please, it's an emergency.
What emergency?
There is a boy lying critically ill in the hospital and they said they will not touch him unless he deposits money. So just give me 15,000 naira. I will pay you back once I get to the bank tomorrow.
A boy lying critically ill in the hospital. And who is this boy?
I actually don't know who he is. But his mother looks very familiar. I'm very sure they are from this village.
You don't even know who the boy is? And you don't want to pay the hospital bill?
Daddy, should I allow a sick boy, die in the hospital because I don't know where he's from?
What about the parents?
His mother is a poor widow. Daddy, give me this money now. Is it for free? You sure you are lending it to me? Please give me. I need to get back to the hospital before the hospital closes. Biko.
Jolo, my love, my jealousy, and I know they like wahala, Hey. Hello, no try my boo-boo, baby, if you no want my wahala, Hey. If you be boyfriend snatcher, make you no try my boo-boo, baby,
I really feel for that poor woman. Mothers are the most passionate being on earth.
Honestly. I just pray nothing happens to that boy, because that woman I saw will not survive it. She will not survive it at all.
Nothing will happen to him. Nothing will happen to him. He will be back on his feet in no time.
Amen.
That I know.
Amen. Hi.
So, honey, how were you able to raise the money in such a short time? Because I know you don't keep money at home. You don't keep such amount of money at home.
I collected all the money in my shop. It still wasn't enough. So I borrowed the rest from my father.
Eh? Hey. Oh. You're such a wonderful person. You have a kind heart. You see, your kind is very rare to find in this world. That's why I feel blessed all the time, having you.
Always say that. But I'm just being myself. I love helping the needy. And you know, this world is such a small place. You never can tell. One day, you might find yourself in a position that will warrant that boy to be of help to you. I'm telling you, that is how this world is.
And that is true. But it's not everybody who thinks that way. You see? Anyway, thank you so much for helping. God bless you.
Thank you and amen. But you see, you always underestimate yourself. You're also a good man.
Well, I'm a good man because you influence me positively. Right?
You must find a way to link it to me.
Hanging around you just makes things easy, smooth, fun, lovely.
Ow! Stop! Ow! Sorry. I never said I'm tired, but I like it.
You be boyfriend snatcher, boyfriend snatcher. Make you no try my boo boo baby, oh. If you be boyfriend snatcher, boyfriend snatcher. Make you no try my boo boo baby, oh. If you no want wahala, leave
You're still up.
You haven't eaten your food. You might be fine now.
Mama, don't worry. I will eat when I'm ready to sleep.
Can you eat when you're ready to sleep? Eh? Now, you can study, yes. No, you can study when you've not eaten now. Eh? Pico, Mama. Just try and eat. Pico.
Mama, you worry yourself too much. Eh? Don't worry about me. I will eat later. Mama, you see, I have to give everything I can for this job. Because this will be the very last time I'll be sitting for it.
I shouldn't worry about you. No, I can't worry about you. I'm not saying you shouldn't study, but at least eat. Now, listen, if only I am going to warm it. When I bring it back, you will eat it hot. I will feed you myself.
It's so bad, I will eat it.
No, I'm going now.
This guy has turned to a bookworm. So you are still in this village? Eh? What's up? You? Nobody to see you.
Yeah, we thought you've relocated or something.
I'm telling you.
You guys are not serious. Where will I relocate to? Man, I've been indoors reading seriously for my exams.
Hey,
it's coming up soon.
So you are really serious about this your school thing?
Of course.
When you should be thinking of making money, ego.
See, Chibuzo. These days, school is a very big scam.
School na scam.
Chibuzo, in this our country, school na scam. See, let me tell you, when you graduate, you will find it difficult to secure a job. Talk more of a good paying one.
Tell him.
Tell him. Make a wise choice, so. Ha.
Guys, listen. I have made my decision. And it's getting a university degree. Thank you.
Wait. I want to ask you. Are you sure you choose it yourself or your sugar mommy chose it for you?
What's the meaning of that? Huh? Who is your sugar mommy?
Kamanji.
Mind yourself.
Chibu Magi.
I'm sorry, sir.
Chibu Magi.
Chibo! Don't worry. By the time you realize that we made the wisest decision, I pray it's not late for you.
Okay. Anyway, if you must know, me and Eche will be traveling to the city very soon for greener pasture.
Let them know.
Green and pasture.
That's good. So where exactly are you guys traveling to?
We're still contemplating on where is greener, you know. The city we're going to.
Is green?
I don't know, but we're yet to decide.
Or maybe you are thinking of going to the greenest pasture.
Anyone?
Well, anyway, I wish you guys luck.
Yeah, thank you.
Chibuzo, you're sure about this decision you've made?
Trust me, I've thought about it and it's the best decision.
Let me remind you of our days of courtship.
Oh! You have it.
Rather too big.
That is flashback.
Like a wonderful flashback. You know?
I'm telling you.
I guess this is coming straight from the garden.
Yeah.
You're doing good.
Thank you.
Doing really good.
Welcome.
Who do you seek?
This is my son now, so 2 days ago he was very sick that he almost lost his life. A young lady, Margret, helped me to take him to the hospital. And she paid for all his hospital bills. So we are told that this is her house. We came to say thank you to her.
Beckon on your daughter.
Margret! 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 No way. No, sir. You've been discharged? Yes. Oh, thank God.
We came to say thank you.
Oh,
what would I have done without you?
It's okay. It's okay. We thank God.
I said thank you very much. I brought this one for you.
Hey. No, so you shouldn't have done that. There's no need for it.
No. Because don't reject it from us. And this is the only thing we have to thank you. Huh? He made it himself. Oh, Jackie, I made it.
Are you serious?
Yes,
Okay.
This is all we have.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
Madam, I learned you're a widow.
I lost my husband 4 years ago.
So sorry.
Sorry, eh?
I'm hardly sorry for the loss. Just take this. It's okay, stand up. I'm not God, I'm Professor Siri. Just stand up first. Stand up. Get up.
Just get up.
Get up.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma. Thanks, sir.
Thank you.
It's okay. Take this, huh? It can take care of some of your needs. I'm so sorry, happily sorry about this.
Thank you, God.
Thank you, ma.
Can you so rest in peace? Forget it. That reminds me, whenever you have little problems, okay? Come to me.
Yes, sir. Thank you, ma.
Thank you.
It's alright. Take care, bye-bye.
When a woman knows the heart of her man, people begin to gossip in the village that she used charm to tie the man's heart.
You see, anyway, it's a way. Knowing the heart of a man is a charm too.
You see, there's a way Obiageli, my baby, do it to me. She whispers sweet nothings into my ear.
You and Obiageli.
Is that not Chibuzo?
He's the one now. Is there any other Oyibo in this village?
Hey, Mano, mu.
Nensemu.
Mano, mu.
This one you are this happy.
280.
Eh?
280. 280.
Na madness.
280.
Na madness.
280. Hey.
Wait, now so your own craze won't start.
What if it 280?
My jam score 280. Hey, I've made it, guys. I'm telling you.
Hey, Mano.
Oh, yes, sir. I told you. All those hard work, all those nights, all those sleepless nights of reading. Now, man.
Mano, mu.
Wait. So not like this, you want to go waste your time for university?
Be happy.
What kind of talk is that?
See,
now?
I'm okay with 280. The only problem I have is I am not sure if you are the one that wrote it or Maggie did for you.
Look at who is talking now.
I know you can do it.
I worked myself.
Chibu, don't mind them. They don't know how to celebrate success. Mano, mu. Mado.
You cannot just tell us you scored 280 and we'll just smile and laugh with you on the road. Take us somewhere, Oga.
Don't you know what my baby's capable of?
Not even you.
Don't you know her?
Whichever way, just take us somewhere.
Take us
somewhere. Take us somewhere.
Listen to my babes. Hey! You know where we are going.
Mano. Science and technology. Mano. OKOH na cause shit.
Pepper soup, Maggie.
Inamba majuju, what is it?
Pepper soup, Maggie.
Wanema na ekwebu beat.
Pepper soup, Maggie.
Ekwebu beat.
Chibu 280. Chibu 280.
Mano.
280. Chibu 280. You will now go to school and be a graduate.
Of course.
You will enter the labor market and make money.
What is it?
Oh,
you people are not drinking at all.
2 months.
Today you will drink and drink and drink.
Anything
you want, just order it. It is free.
More ball.
My boo boo just passed jam.
Yes! You deserve a song.
My drink.
You deserve a number.
Chica!
Oh Maggie! Oh Maggie! Oh Maggie! Oh Maggie!
You're going to? Eh?
I am going to work.
You're going to work? What about the money I asked you to give me?
Nne, I work hard to take care of you. I work hard to give you money to look good and buy good clothes. I thought I gave you 5,000 naira last night. I did. I gave you 5,000 naira.
Can you hear yourself? Eh? I thought I gave you 5,000 naira. What can 5,000 naira do for me? Eh? For your information, it won't be enough for me. I need more money. I need more money.
Zukwanike. Eh? Zukwanike. I don't have any money here now. The only money I have here is this 5,000 naira.
That is your business. That is your business.
That money is for my madam. I'm meant to give account to her. I'm not giving this woman money for 1 week. Oh.
Is it my business?
I'm not giving her money for 1 week.
Please, just go. Go and account to her. You don't want me to look good, Abby?
No, bring
you
this
don't
money.
want me to look good.
Hey, bring this money back. This money will bring
me. Husband.
This money will cause big problem for me.
Start going to work. I'm not delaying you again.
This money will cause big problem for me. Bring the money back. Bring this money back. Hey. Hey. Right,
You see the way the place I am now? I am in this atmosphere where this place is looking like.
I understand how you feel. Because after 6 bottles, all girls are beautiful. All girls are beautiful.
Huh? Please come and help me.
I don't understand.
What don't you understand? Come and help me now. Can't you see that my shop is filled up and I need extra hands? Oh,
that's why you're shouting. Eh? You're telling everybody.
Ewo, I did not know that. So I was shouting. When you were, oh, Chiboso, come and help me.
Because you go.
Come and help your boo-boo.
Because you go. What do you want to
just get up first. Ah, boo-boo.
Choose up 280.
Get up.
280.
You see? That is what you get. When your woman is the one financing all your doings, you get to the point now.
What?
Daddy. Yes. Please, I need your help.
With what?
Daddy, there's this my very good friend that has been finding it so difficult to gain admission into the university. Eh? Somehow, post UME always frustrates him. 5 years, 5 years, Daddy. And this year, he applied for admission in your school. So I'm asking you to just please help him secure admission this year.
Are you deranged? Do I look like the university vice chancellor?
But Daddy, you have slots now. They give you people slots.
Will you shut your trap? If your friend cannot eagle out of the exam, my dear, the university is not meant for him.
Daddy, you're saying this thing because you don't know who I'm talking about. This person is very intelligent and hard working on top of it. I just think he has bad luck. That is why they never publish his name. And if you ask me, I'm thinking that they're always replacing his name with another person's name. Maybe they're always buying his result because his results are very, very good. I know who I'm talking about. I know him very well.
Can you hear yourself out? Listen to me, my daughter. I don't want to altercate on this matter. I think you should bother yourself on how to graduate from the university by yourself. Instead of you to start thinking that direction, you are here soliciting and interceding on behalf of somebody else. Hold on. Wait until your sister graduates from the university, then you will see what you've done to yourself. Now, get out of my sight now.
Get out of my sight now!
Margret is a business tycoon. She's a business guru, money making machine. Maggie no they look for wahala at all. But if wahala come, Maggie go handle. If Maggie hates you, you are in trouble. No. She go show you Pepe until you hear a Margret. If Maggie love you, now another big wahala.
Good evening, sir.
Stop there. When did you start to greet me like that?
What is wrong with the way I greeted you?
Go and prepare me fish pepper soup.
Pay me now. One fish is 2,000 naira.
Margaret, you're asking me to give you some money?
But why won't I ask you for money? Is it not my business? Koichi return business. Eh? Please, if you want fish, give me money.
Is that right, Margaret? I'm not impoverished yet. Go to my room and on my table, take 2,000 naira and make a quickie out of the fish pepper soup.
I will take the money. I will provide the fish, but I will not cook it. Please, ask your wife to cook for you.
Nonsense! What an insult! Margaret! Damn it, this child is uncooked, uncultured and untutored. Nene! Wife!
If Maggie hates you, you are in trouble now. She go show you Pepe until you hear her. If Maggie love you, now another big wahala. You be private property for only Maggie.
Let me help you.
Margaret, what is going on between you and your father? I'm asking you.
Mama, is anything wrong with Papa helping my very good friend into his school?
No.
Good. I asked Papa to help my very good friend Chibuzo, who has been finding it very difficult to gain admission into the university, into his school. Instead, Papa started insulting me. Eh? So what? No problem, oh, no problem. But if from today, let Papa just stay on his own. Let me too, I will stay on my own. I can go state.
Take it easy. State. Take it easy. Why don't you try talk to him again?
So that he will remind me that out of all his children, I am the one who did not go to the university. I am the one who did not go to school. I am the one who did not get a degree. He talks as if I'm an illiterate. I will not talk to him again. Let Papa just stay on his own. No problem at all, no. Let him stay on his own. But Mama, if Chibuzo fails to gain admission this year, I will not forgive Papa. Makachi, I will not forgive him.
You've learned how to prepare good pepper soup like your daughter Margaret. It tastes good.
She made it.
She made it? But I thought she swore not to cook for me again until death do us part.
Honey, why don't you grant her request?
I perceive that Margaret sent you to mediate on her behalf.
No, she didn't. I am with her on this. Please do it for the young man. Because I don't want my daughter walking around sad. Please.
And who is this young man to her?
A friend.
A friend? Or a boyfriend? Nene, are you encouraging your daughter to bring her boyfriends into my home?
I am not encouraging her to keep boyfriends. I can only tell her to keep decent relationship. Come to think of it, we will not marry her. Oh, have you forgotten that we were into relationship before we got married? Please, relax your standard a bit and help that young man who is trying to make out something good out of his life.
And if I say no?
Oh, that will be mean of you.
Too obvious that you connect with her on this. But I will look into the matter. But on one condition. I, Professor Cyril Udemba, will not be part of any form of examination malpractice. I, Professor Cyril Udemba, will not do that. I will only make sure that young man's name is shortlisted on one condition: if he passes his exams. Period.
That's the husband I married.
Don't patronize me.
Thank you. Thank you.
Don't patronize me.
Oh, my love. Boom, boom, Kem. Good to see you. Boom, boom. Yeah, you're studying so hard. I hope you're resting. You know, I want you to study, but I don't want you to kill yourself.
My dear, I have to study. I need to. I don't have any other option.
It's okay.
How are you?
I'm fine. I have good news. Guess.
Good news. Tell me, please. Tell me.
Hi.
Your good news. Tell me.
It's okay. Listen, my father has agreed to help you secure admission in his school.
Hey! It's a lie. Are you serious? Hey! Hey! Yes! Oh my God! Yes! Now I understand.
You wanted your father to help me get admission. That was why you insisted I put him for the state university. Okuya? Okuya? Oh. Yes. Thank you so much. What can I ever do without you?
Nothing. Nothing, no. Nothing. Anyway, there's a condition. My father said you must reach the school's cut-off mark.
That's not a problem now. You see, that's why I'm studying very hard. And by God's grace, I will reach the cut-off mark.
I trust you.
Yes, now you should know what I can do.
I trust you. Well, I brought fruits for you. So that it can refresh your body while you're reading. And then it will also make your brain to be receptive. Inago, onaba. Inago, onaba. Eh?
Wow.
This is wonderful. It's fine. They are all yours.
all yours. Run away, but if a superwoman fall in love, you can want to happen in there.
Hello, Sochi. How are you? We are fine, oh. We're fine, no problem at all. I have missed you though. Please, don't even tell me that. You did not miss me anything. If you miss me, you'll be calling me. I know you now. Oh, it's okay. You know, I was just joking. It's okay, don't mind me. So Biko, I want you to come home. Biko, I need to discuss something with you. Yes, it's very important. Biko, as soon as possible. Okay. Thank you, Thank you. No problem at all. I will be expecting you. So bad. Thank you. But you know I love you too, I love you too. Thank you very much. All right. Okay. Well, bye.
Margret, Margret is a business tycoon. Margret is a business tycoon. She's a business guru, money making machine. Maggie no they look for wahala at all. But if wahala come, Maggie go handle. If Maggie hates you, you are in trouble. She go show you the best until you hear about.
Who am I seeing? Someone. Good afternoon, my dear.
I missed you so much.
I missed you too, my beautiful queen. Oh my goodness, you are looking good.
Thank you.
We weren't even expecting you.
Mommy, don't mind me. My return was not planned.
Oh my God, you didn't even give me a call as you used to do. Finally. I've been waiting for you since.
I'm here. Ngwa, it's me.
Go away. You want to use attack to defend yourself. You think I don't know? Even if you were trekking from there your school, you would have been here since. My God, I get it. I get it. So both of you planned it, huh? What the guy did you?
Just me now. What has been happening? Is there any bubble coming to ask for your hand in marriage?
You wish. How is your university environment? How is it? Because my boyfriend is coming to your school, and I want him to live in a place where no girl will see him. As in, I don't want any girl to even set their eyes on him at all. What?
You know, girls to say. Oh, sis, I don't know of any place like that, though. Well, the only place that may be fair is the school's boys' hostel.
Boys' hostel, as in only boys? Perfect. It is very nice. That is what I want. I don't want all these university girls to be flocking around him.
But sis, you know you're funny. Won't he go for lectures? Won't there be girls in his class?
I don't mind girls in his class. No, if they like, let them not listen to the lecturer. Let them be looking at another person's man. But you see where he's living? That is where I don't want girls at all. I don't want them.
Sis, if he lives in the boys' hostel, you won't be able to visit him there.
Eh? Ha. I don't want that one again. No. I want a place where I can go and visit him. So that they will know that I'm the car owner.
The car owner?
Yes, now. If I'll be visiting him and everybody will know that he's my own. And so that they won't even think of trespassing. I don't want that one.
Then he has to live off campus. Then you can go and visit him anytime you want.
That is the one I want. Very fine by me. And when you go back to school, so please, when you go back, help me to get accommodation for him. But make sure that where you're getting that accommodation, that no girl is living anywhere around his door. Biko.
Oh, yes, ma. It's for Kukuma just build lodge only your boyfriend for the leave now.
What's going on again?
Meanwhile, he has to get admitted first before looking for where you will live.
Baby! Hey! Baby! What is it? You won't believe it. My name has been shortlisted. Hey!
Is it?
I made it. I am going to the university.
When a hunter fall in love, when a soldier fall in love, troubles will run away. But if a superwoman fall in love, you can run away anywhere. Don't touch my baby, don't want my wife.
Treat that girl with caution. She is too much.
Yes.
If one got sent into this family.
Hey,
Maggie. Maggie abusi ezigbo mmadụ ọ na-atọ ọtọluka Maggie na-etinye n'ime ofe. Ọmụbamụ. See, Maggie, God will replenish your pocket.
Amen.
Maggie Chukwu ga-ebunyi gị enu. Ebe ọ bụ na iji aga na-etu Maggie. Ọ na nka abịago. Na ọ bụrụ na nka ka bịara sị m gwu ofu aka m abịa Maggie. Pay your fees for you. Oh, Maggie, 50,000 naira. May have to check one choncho because